add a smoky taste to your vegetables, here are some things that you can use. You can use smoked paprika, just about a teaspoon or so sprinkled over some vegetables, and you'll get that nice smoky flavor very simply. Here's something else you can use, some smoked red jalapenos or chipotle seasoning. This will give them a little bit of a spicy kick, so you don't want to use quite as much of this, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon to a 1/2 teaspoon. That'll probably do. You can also use something called liquid smoke. You can buy this at most grocery stores and only use about 1/2 of a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. You can make also coconut bacon with this. There's a lot of recipes on Pinterest and it's really, really good. So this is how you add a smoky flavor to your vegetables. It's smoky delicious. I used a little bit of smoked paprika and smoked chipotle powder to make my Go West chipotle lime sweet potato bowls. So easy, yummy, and filling.